tutorial. Our topic is how to change your username, your Instagram username. So let's dive in. Click on Instagram and click on the profile menu button, and this is it. Just click on edit profile and you can search, change your name here. Down number one, you can only change it within 2 weeks. So once you change it now, you will not be able to change it back in the next 2 weeks, 14 days. So I'm going to change my username now to another one and click on save. Then click on save, and you can see I've automatically changed my Instagram username, which I will not be able to change it again for the next 2 weeks. So note that, guys, if you want to change your username, it's around within the range of 2 weeks interval. So guys, if this helped, click the like button, share, comment and subscribe.